Hey everyone, welcome back to Guidezen, and today we learn how we can add our WhatsApp account on Instagram account center on, or also you can say on Instagram profile. It's very simple, and I will show you some simple steps. Just following that, you can easily add your WhatsApp on your Instagram account. If you want to do that, you need to open your Instagram. Then I request to do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips, tricks, and secret updates. After opening your Instagram account, Instagram app, then you need to click on your profile and go a little up and click on top right three bars. And here you want to add your WhatsApp account, just click on account center. Then you need to click on profiles. Here you can see my Facebook account is already linked on my Instagram, but we want to add another profile which name is WhatsApp. Just click on add accounts, and here you need to click on the second option, add WhatsApp account. And here you need to verify your WhatsApp account with a fingerprint or a pin, also with a password. Okay, after verifying your WhatsApp account, then you need to click on continue. Just tapping on continue, you can easily add your WhatsApp account on your Facebook and also on your Instagram profile, Instagram account center. So it's very simple and quite easy. I guide you a simple methods. So I hope the short video is helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.